Okay, here I'm going to show you how to get the program from the GoPro website. We just, first of all, go into the address bar, type in, GoPro.com, obviously. Okay, so now we're at the website. And what we're going to do is going to scroll down until you get a GoPro support. Click on that. Alright, click on GoPro support. We're going to click on the HERO11 Black icon. We're going to go here to and search right away to software updates. Click on HERO11 Black again. Click on Windows. Okay, here's some pictures, showing you what to do. So we're going to click on Download Update. Once it's downloaded, you should be able to find your downloaded folder. And just open it from here. Now, all this data, what you're going to do is you're going to move that over into the SD card. Okay, so we're going to open a new window, or a new folder. Open new folder. What we're going to do is we're going to drag the files that we downloaded right into the SD card. So we're going to make a folder called Update and just type update, all capital letters. We're going to drag the files over into the update folder. Once that's downloaded, we're pretty much done. Just gonna take out the SD card and from there I'll show you exactly how to put it into the GoPro. Okay, we have the micro SD card that we loaded the update folder to with all the programs that we need for the update. Look at that. Beautiful camera. Look at that. Camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the door. Now you that's the slot, of course, for the micro SD. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the slot, and you push it till you hit a click. And you have to, of course, have a fully charged battery. I already charged the battery beforehand. And then what you do is you turn the power on, and it'll just find the file. First, you gotta answer the questions there, and voila, it starts updating right away. And after a few moments, the firmware will be updated with all the bug fixes and things like that, whatever GoPro has to do. to make it fully functional for you to use it, but it must be updated before you can use it, which is kind of crazy. So you have to, if you can't do it with the quick program, like I said, if you have a problem with your phone not being updated, then you have to do it this way. This is the other way to do it. Put it on the SD card, transfer the files, and you know, you have to do it manually like this. And there it is, it's updating. Just gotta give it a moment until the little icon is finished, you know, turning. It's taking quite a few moments. Bear with me. But, you know, you get to see the process firsthand, so you know what you're expecting. And it is now updated. Looks like it turned off and turned back on. And there we go. The HERO11 Black is now updated. And what a beautiful camera it is. And here we just have to update the settings here. Looks like it's in Spanish. Okay. For the English, there we go. Yes, we're going to agree. I guess press on. Install the GoPro Quick app. I won't be able to do that because my phone is not updated. Says, are you sure? And then we just pick the time zone. And looks like the one closest to me is your region. Currently adhesive time. I pick the date. And obviously from the video, yes, I did this video back in December. I just got a little lazy and lost track of time, and now I'm actually publishing the video after all the editing and everything. Okay, so we're gonna pick the time. Okay, upgrade your SD card. The SD card may be too slow for some settings. Yeah, V30 or higher. So there you go. Now you know you need an SD card V30 or higher to use with the GoPro to get the best quality you can get. So don't be cheap on your SD cards, guys. You gotta get the V30. Don't buy those cheapo stuff. I use ScanDisk. ScanDisk is probably the best card you can use. And you don't want a situation where you have SD card in there and you lose your files, and you went all day taking videos and photos, and now it's all corrupted. You don't want that. But I would still suggest, taking the files off immediately when you finish, as soon as you can, and putting it on your computer. And these files can get really big, really huge. So, make sure you have enough space when you're using your GoPro. I mean, they're very huge files in the gigabytes. So definitely, I would recommend getting external hard drives to back up your data. Okay, and there we have it. I showed you guys the unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 11 and how to update it in case you don't have access to the program on your phone. The best way, if you don't have that, is of course, like I just showed you, through the micro SD card. Taking the program files from the website, transferring them on a card, and manually putting the card into the GoPro and updating that way. That's probably the best way anyway, because you're doing it manually, you see what you're doing, and things like that. Who knows? But if you're doing it the other way, who knows what could happen? Maybe corruption or whatever, who knows? Alright, so thank you guys for watching my video about the GoPro HERO11 Black, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, because I will be doing vacation videos. Alright, take care now.